Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here. This is an anti-inflammatory turmeric salad dressing. Are you tired of reaching in the refrigerator looking for a salad dressing to put on your salad or some veggies or something of a different flavor profile because you're tired of eating the same thing? I know you are, because that's why you're here. And that's why I have this recipe for you. It can also be used as a glaze for your mushroom caps or your carrots, or to perk up some citrus fruits like a grapefruit in the morning. So we are going to take grated ginger, grated garlic. This is about 1 garlic clove, about a knuckle or first finger worth of ginger, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. This is about 3 lemons. This is 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory, comes in a little knob, so if you see that in the grocery store, you can purchase it fresh and just grate it as well. This is just dried, and I'm adding it to the lemon juice just so it can dissolve into our salad dressing. Some agave for some sweetness. Salt and pepper. That ginger and garlic. And again, you're just whisking this together. So what that lemon juice is going to do is going to start to break down that garlic and that ginger, so it's not as abrasive in the tooth or to the bite when you are consuming the salad dressing. And then lastly, to add some body and some fat, we're going to add about 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And as I slowly pour this in, I'm just going to stir it with the back of my spoon. Again, no need for a whisk or a fork. It's just a really easy dressing for the summertime. And look at that, just like this. We have this beautiful golden salad dressing that can be used, again, citrus fruits, roasted veggies straight off the grill, any type of crudités or celery, anything you want to use as a dip or a light dressing, this is it. This is our summer anti-inflammatory turmeric dressing. If you guys like this recipe, that's super quick, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You can follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. Enjoy.